Hey, welcome back to Danielle's Creative Art. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of what I just got for Hanukkah tonight for the fourth night. Archer and Olive Winter Collection journals. I think these are sold out. I'm not sure if they're going to come back post Black Friday sale or not, but very excited to open this. This is the B5. Oh my gosh, it is really, really pretty. Oh my word. Oh my gosh. Look at that glitter, sparkle. Oh wow. Nice cloth texture, very smooth. And then it has silver gilded edges. It's gorgeous. This may be my planner for 2022. I have not decided yet, but it's really pretty. Let's take this off. Almost got it. Almost got it. Oh no, I don't want to rip it, but so pretty. Oh my gosh. So you have 160 pages of 160 GSM dot grid paper in the B5. I love this size. Oops. And then you have the cute little bookmark with the Archer and Olive logo. That's gorgeous. And then I also got a matching one in the A5 size. Oh, that's just as gorgeous as the E5. So pretty. Love all those sparkles. And again, we have the gilded silver edges. So cute together. So here's the size comparison. Let's take off this. Almost got it. Okay, now we'll hold it. Very cute. So again, like this one, it has 160 pages of dot grid paper. It's very thick and awesome. I love the silver on there. It's so cool. So I'm not sure if these are coming back to the website or not, but if they do, be on the lookout. You can use my code DanielleFL10 at checkout to receive 10% off because I'm an affiliate with them. I'll put my link in the description, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.